In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable automatic accent colors being applied on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher and search for accent. Best result should come back with accent color underneath settings. Go ahead and open that up. And it should say use color sets that match your wallpaper. If you want to disable that, just turn it off, and that means it won't automatically go and configure it based on your wallpaper color. Or if you want to enable it, just toggle to the right, and then it would match your wallpaper, or at least it would try to. And you can also adjust the dark and light mode settings in here too, but that's not really what the purpose of this tutorial is. So, like I said, pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.